Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp web on your computer. So at first, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Then just head to google.com. From here, just on Google, search for WhatsApp web. Just search for it. And from the best match, you'll find web.whatsapp.com. Just go to this website. And it's going to give you a set of instruction, that is to scan to log in, scan the QR with your phone's camera, tap the link to open WhatsApp, scan the QR again to link your phone. So to do this, what you have to do is just open WhatsApp on your phone, click on the three dot icon at the top right, then click on link device. And after that, you have to click on link device at the bottom of the screen again. And after that, you'll be allowed to scan the QR and your camera will open up. Just aim at this QR code. And just give it some time, your WhatsApp will be logged into your web. Just give it some time to load all of your chats. It takes a while depending on your internet speed, as there could be a lots of message on your WhatsApp. And basically that is it. And basically that is how to use WhatsApp web on your computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.